Welcome to this 10-minute guided meditation for focus and concentration. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Allow yourself to settle into this moment. Begin by centering yourself with your breath. Inhale deeply, feeling your lungs expand. Hold for a moment and then exhale fully, releasing any tension or stress. Continue this deep, rhythmic breathing, bringing your awareness to the present moment. Bring your attention to your body. Notice any areas of tension and allow them to soften and relax. Start with your feet and slowly move your focus up to your legs, hips, abdomen, chest, arms, shoulders, neck, and head. With each breath, feel your body becoming more relaxed and grounded. Now, set the intention to improve your focus and concentration. Silently repeat to yourself, I am focused and attentive. I am fully present in this moment. My mind is clear and sharp. Allow these words to become your reality as you continue to breathe deeply and steadily. Imagine yourself in a place where you feel calm and focused. It could be a quiet library, a serene garden, or any place where you can concentrate easily. Visualize the details of this place vividly. Feel the stillness and clarity of your mind in this environment. Allow yourself to fully embrace this sense of focus. Now, bring your focus to a single point. It could be your breath, a word, or a visual image. Hold your attention on this point, noticing any distractions that arise. When a distraction comes, gently acknowledge it and bring your focus back to your chosen point. Practice this for a few moments, strengthening your ability to concentrate. Silently repeat these affirmations to yourself. I am focused and determined. My mind is clear and sharp. I am capable of deep concentration. I stay present and attentive in all that I do. Feel the truth of these words resonating within you, enhancing your focus and concentration. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Carry this sense of focus and clarity with you throughout your day. Remember that you have the power to concentrate deeply and stay attentive. Thank you for joining this meditation.